Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Crochet. In today's project we're going to do a lacy blue camisole, but before we do that guys, we are going to make like 3 bra size that can work with this camisole piece. So we're going to do a 80 to 85 centimeter, 85 to 90 centimeter, and 90 to 95 centimeter, guys. So there will be a size to fit you. So here I've got some yarn fair, Tootsie yarn, double knitting, baby double knitting machine washable, and you use a size 4 hook. So for the crimsole, for the bottom you would need about 200 gram, but that's for like later on, because we're going to deal with the bust cup first. So guys, get your tools, your 4mm hook, your pair of scissors, darning needle, and your stitch markers. Guys, get some juice, whatever you need. Relax, get comfortable, and let us start this bra cup together. For the 80 to 85 centimeter bust cup, you're going to chain 13. So do your slip knot as usual guys, and then chain 13. In the second chain from your hook, 1 double crochet. So guys, for your 85 to 90 centimeter bra cups, chain 17. In your second chain from hook, 1 single crochet, and single crochet all the way to the end, and I'll meet you down here guys. So you should have a total of 16 guys. Chain 1 and single crochet right into your first chain right here, and get your stitch marker and mark that chain right there guys. I'll change that in a minute. So with this stitch marker guys, you're going to move it up every row. So okay, so now we're going to do single crochet along the bottom of our chains. You get a total of 16. We're going to do a slip stitch into our single crochet right here. So row number 3, chain 1. Your chain 1 count as 1 single crochet, and we're going to do single crochet into each single crochet all the way up to your stitch markers, guys. Stitch marker, sorry. And in your stitch marker right here, you're going to do 5 double crochet, then single crochet all the way to the end, and chain 1, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 4. For row number 4, chain 1, turn your work around, single crochet into each single crochet space all the way to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, 5 single crochet, remove your stitch marker, and into the 3rd single crochet you're going to insert your, replace your stitch marker, and single crochet all the way to the end, chain 1, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 5. Row number 5, chain 1, turn, single crochet into each single crochet. When you reach to your stitch marker, you're going to do 3 single crochet, and into your 2nd single crochet you're going to remove and insert your stitch marker, and then single crochet all the way to the end. So that's for row number 5 and for row number 6, guys. Those 2 rows are exactly the same. So I'll see you for row number 7. So row number 7, guys, chain 1, turn your work around, and we're going to do single crochet all the way up to your stitch marker, and in your stitch marker stitch you're going to do 1 single crochet, remove your stitch marker and replace it into that stitch, and single crochet all the way to the end, and I'll see you there for row number 8. Row 8, chain 1, turn your work around, and single crochet, 1 single crochet into each single crochet until you reach the mark center. You're going to put 3 single crochet into this same stitch, remove your stitch marker and insert it into your 2nd single crochet, and then you're going to continue single crochet all the way to the end. At the end, chain 2, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 9. Row number 9, chain 2, turn your work around, 1 double crochet into your next double crochet stitch, then 7 double crochet into the next 7 double crochet stitches, 7 half double crochets, and then single crochet all the way up to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, 1 single crochet, remove your stitch marker and replace it into that stitch, and then what you do on this side, guys, you're going to do repeat the exact thing on this side, and chain 2 at the end, turn your work around, and I'll see you for row number 10. Row number 10, chain 2, 8 double crochet into 8 stitches, and 7 half double crochets, and then single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, you're going to do 3 single crochet into that same stitch. Remove your stitch marker and replace it into your second single crochet, and then repeat what you have on this side guys, and I'll see you for row number 11. Row number 11, chain 2, turn your work around, 8 double crochet into the next 8 stitches, 7 half double crochets into the next 7 stitches, and single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, 1 single crochet. So remove and replace your stitch marker, then you just repeat what you did on this side over this side, guys, and I'll see you for row number 12. Row number 12, chain 2, turn your work around, 8 double crochet into the next 8 stitches, 7 half double crochet into the next 7 stitches, then single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. In your stitch marker, 3 double crochets, 3 single crochets in your stitch marker. Remove your stitch marker and replace it into your second single crochet of that stitch. Then you repeat what you did on your right side just on your left, and chain 2 and turn for row number 13, and I'll meet you there. And for row 13, 8 double crochet into your next 8 double crochet stitches, and guys, remember your chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet. Then 7 half double crochets in the next 7 stitches, and single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. In your stitch marker, 1 double crochet. Remove your marker and replace it into that stitch, and you just repeat what we done right here on your right side and to your left, and I'll see you for row number 14. For row number 14, chain 2, turn your work around, miss this first stitch right here, guys, and double crochet into the next. So you're going to do 7 double crochet into the next 7 stitches, and 7 half double crochets in the next 7 stitches, then single crochets all the way to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, 3 double crochets. Remove your stitch marker and place it into your second single crochet of that stitch. Then you just repeat what we did right here on your right and to your left, and chain 2, and I'll meet you for row number 15, which is the final row for this bra cup. So for your final row, you do your chain 2 as usual, and you're going to do double crochet all the way up to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, you do 3 double crochet into that stitch. Remove your stitch marker and place it into your second double crochet, and then double crochet all the way to the end, guys, and just pull through your yarn, cut and fasten off. And guys, remember you need to do 2 brack up of the same size, and that's it. For your middle size cup, fold in 2 evenly, guys. This one measures like 7.5 inches, so that would be 15 inches all the way around here. So let's measure across the bottom of the breast. That's what, 11 inches at the bottom of the bra. Okay, so I've done my 8 half double crochet. Now we're going to do single crochet all the way up to here, and then in our mark center, we're going to do 1 single crochet, remove our marker and replace it into our 1 single crochet. Then we are going to do what we did on this side here guys. We're going to do the same. So we're going to do our singles, and then our 8 half doubles, and then our 11 double crochets, and then chain 2, and I'll meet you for row number 10. For row number 10, chain 2, turn your work around, and we are going to do 10 double crochet into your first 10 stitches, then 8 half double crochets, and then single crochets all the way to our last stitch before stitch marker. Into our stitch marker, we're going to do 3 single crochets into that stitch. Remove your stitch marker and place it into your second single crochet of that stitch, and then single crochet all the way down, and still our 8 half double and our 11 double crochets, guys, and I'll meet you for row number 11. Number 11, chain 2, you turn your work around. So we're going to do 1 single crochet into this stitch right here. That's the first chain. So we do 1, and this one, guys, you need your marker to mark this one. I'm just gonna use a bit of yarn. Okay, so this stitch marker, guys, you're going to move it up as we go along. Okay, so now, guys, we are going to do single crochet all the way down here, guys, into the chain spaces right here. So this is the beginning where we chain our chain 21. So we are going to do single crochet along there. meet you at the end, guys. So for row number 3, we're going to chain 1, turn your work around, and we're going to do single crochet into every single crochet all the way, and just stop at the stop at the single crochet before your stitch marker, guys. I'll meet you here. Okay, so row 4, chain 1, turn your work around, and single crochet into each single crochet until you reach your stitch marker. In your stitch marker, you're gonna place 5 single crochet. You're gonna remove your marker, and into the 3rd single crochet you're going to replace your marker, and just single crochet all the way to the end down here, guys. So row 4 is the same as row number 3. So you just however many single crochet you have on here, that's the same you would get here, and you add your 5 single crochet into this stitch marker space, and remove your stitch marker and place it into the 3rd single crochet, and I'll see you at the end for row number 5. Row number 5, chain 1, turn, single crochet into each single crochet. When you reach to your stitch marker, you're going to do 3 single crochet, and into your 2nd single crochet you're going to remove and insert your stitch marker, and then single crochet all the way to the end. So that's for row number 5 and for row number 6, guys. Those 2 rows are exactly the same. So I'll see you for row number 7. So row number 7, guys, chain 1, turn your work around, and we're going to do single crochet all the way up to your stitch marker, and in your stitch marker stitch you're going to do 1 single crochet, remove your stitch marker and replace it into that stitch, and single crochet all the way to the end, and I'll see you there for row number 8. Row 8, chain 1, turn your work around, and single crochet, 1 single crochet into each single crochet until you reach the mark center. You're going to put 3 single crochet into this same stitch, remove your stitch marker and insert it into your 2nd single crochet, and then you're going to continue single crochet all the way to the end. At the end, chain 2, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 9. So row number 9, your chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet. So you're going to do 10 double crochet. So yarn over, one, 2, 3. So 10 double crochet in your first 10 stitches, guys, and I'll meet you there. Now we're going to do 8 half double crochets into the next 8 stitches. So half double, yarn over, insert into the space, pull through your loops, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So that's your first half double crochet. Yarn over to the next space, pull through your loops, 3, and yarn over, pull through all 3. So we have 2 here, guys. You need 6 more, and I'll meet you after at the 6th. And 10 double crochet into your next 10 spaces. And then 8 half double crochet, single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, you're going to do 1 single crochet into that stitch, remove your stitch marker and replace it into that single crochet stitch. And whatever you have on this side, guys, you are to have the same on this side also. So I'll see you for row number 12. So for row 12, chain 2, turn your work around, 10 double crochet in the next 10 double crochet stitches, and 8 half treble in the next 8 half treble stitches, then single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. When you get to your stitch marker, you're going to do 3 single crochet in this stitch, remove your stitch marker and place it into your second single crochet. Then you're going to do the same what you did on this side here, guys, all the way to the end, and then chain 2, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 13. Row number 13, chain 2, turn your work around, 10 double crochet into your next 10 spaces, 8 half treble into the next 8 spaces, then single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. At your stitch marker, 1 single crochet into this stitch, remove your stitch marker and place it into that stitch, then single crochet down, half double crochet and your double crochet, just the same what you do on this side, guys. At all times both sides should be the same, and I'll see you for row number 14. Row number 14, chain 2, turn your work around, and 10 double crochet into your next 10 stitches, then 8 half double crochet into your next 8 stitches, then single crochet all the way to your stitch marker. When you get to your stitch marker, 3 single crochet into that same stitch, remove your stitch marker and place it into your second single crochet. Then you're gonna repeat what you have done on this side, guys, on this other side, and then you're going to chain 2, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 15. So guys, for row number 15 and 16 is the same. So you do your chain 2, yarn over, and don't put any double crochet into your first stitch, guys. Into your second stitch you put a double crochet, then you're going to do 9 more double crochet into the next 9 spaces, then 8 half double, and then carry on with single crochet until you reach your stitch marker. Into this stitch marker stitch, guys, do one single crochet, replace your stitch marker, and then you just carry on, repeat the same thing that you do here for row number 15. Then you chain 2, turn your work around, and you're gonna do the same thing again for row number 16, and I'll see you for row number 17, guys. Now for row 17, which is your final row, chain 2 and double crochet into this stitch right here, not this one, guys, this one, and you're going to do double crochet all the way to your stitch marker, and at your stitch marker you're going to put 3 double crochet, and you're going to mark the second double crochet in the same stitch space, and then double crochet all the way to the end and fasten off, guys. And remember, you got to do 2 of the same size to meet for your bra cup. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hope you have fun making your bra cup with me, and I'll see you for the next part. Oh, guys, 9.5, so that's 19 inches around here, and let's do this one across. I'll put it on flat. That's 12.25 inches, guys. I don't know if you can see, like, say 12.25 inches, guys. So this one should be a 95 centimeter bra cup. In the second chain from your hook, 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet all the way to the end. You should get a total of 12, guys. Two, 3, chain 1, and your chain 1 counts as 1 single crochet. Turn your work around, then we're going to do 1 single crochet all the way to the end right here, guys, and you should get 11 single crochet with your chain 1, 12. One, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going to put 1 double crochet into the side of the previous row right here, guys. And we're going to mark this one with a Just use a bit of colored yarn, guys, because we're going to move it up each time. Now we're going to work 12 single crochet along our foundation row right here, guys. One, two, three, chain one and turn your work around, and we're going to do single crochet all the way down to here, guys. Just stop one stitch before your stitch marker. One, two, three. You should get a total of 11, guys. Then 5 single crochet into your mark center, and you're going to remove the mark and you're going to place the mark into the third single crochet. So okay, we're going to do 5 into this one, guys. 1, 2, 3. You're going to put your marker into this, the third one. So each time you're just gonna keep moving your marker up, guys. So 3, 2 more to go into the same space. 4, 5. So this is like your center point, guys. So you're just gonna carry on and do 1 single crochet into every single crochet space and to the end. Then you're gonna chain 1 and turn, and I'll meet you there. Row 4, you chain 1 and turn, and 13 single crochet all the way to here, guys, and into the stitch with your marker you're going to have 5 single crochet. So along here 13, then 5 single crochet into your stitch marker. So I have my 13 single crochets. So now for the stitch marker, I'm going to put 5, 1, 2, 3, and into the third one you're going to remove your stitch marker and insert it into the third single crochet, and you're going to insert your hook and you're going to do 2 more. So that's 4 and number 5. So then you're going to do single crochet all the way down to here, guys, the end, and I'll see you there. Chain 1 and turn, and I'll meet you here. So the same you get on this side, guys, the 13, you're to get the 13 here too. So chain 1 and turn, guys, and remember your chain 1 counts as 1 single crochet. So you need to get 15 single crochet along here, and just stop before the stitch marker, guys, and I'll meet you here at the stitch marker. So I've done my 15, guys, and I stop in my 15 stops in the stop just before my stitch marker. So in my stitch marker right here now, I'm going to do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to remove the stitch marker and I'm going to place it in number 2 single crochet. Remember, we've just done 3, so place it in the second one. There you go. And you're gonna do 16 single crochet all the way down to here, guys. Then you chain 1 and you turn for row number 6, and I'll meet you there. Row number 6, your chain 1 still count as 1 single crochet. Just single crochet along here, guys. You should get 16, and into your stitch marker stitch you are to put 3 single crochet, and out of the 3 single crochet you are to replace your stitch marker into the second single crochet, and then you're just gonna single crochet all the way down to here, chain 1, and I'll meet you for row number 7. For row number 7, chain 1, turn, and 17 single crochet along here, guys, and I'll meet you at the single crochet before your stitch marker. Okay, so in your stitch marker, guys, you're going to do 1 single crochet and remove and replace your stitch marker into that stitch. And then you're to do 18 single crochet along the end here, and then you're going to chain 1, and that's for row number 8, and turn over, and I'll meet you there for row number 8. Okay, for row number 8 now, 17 single crochet along here, and into your stitch marker you're going to do 3 single crochet, and then you're going to do 18 single crochet all the way to the end, guys. Chain 2 and turn, and that's for your chain 2 is for row number 9, and I'll meet you there, guys. Okay, guys, I'm still at row number 8. So at the your center where you have your stitch marker, you're going to do three single crochet. But I forgot to tell you, when you do your 3 single crochet, you have to remove your stitch marker and place it into your second single crochet. So remove your stitch marker and place it into your second one, and then you do your final single crochet into that stitch, and then you do your 18 single crochet along here, chain 2, and I'll meet you there for row number 9. Your chain 2 count as 1 double crochet, so we're going to do 6 double crochet. So yarn over to the stitch right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we are going to do 6 half treble into the next 6 stitches. So yarn over and into the first stitch, pull up your loops and just yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So that's 1 half double crochet. Then you're going to yarn over into the next stitch, pull up your yarn, 3 loops, pull through all 3 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6 single crochet from here to up here. And guys, what we have on this side right here, we're going to repeat on this side. So at all times, that's what we do. So you're going to do single crochet from here up to your stitch marker, and into your stitch marker you're just going to do 1 single crochet and replace your marker, and then you do 6 single crochet, 6 half double crochet, 6 double crochet, chain 2 for row number 10, and turn your work around, and I'll meet you there. You're supposed to get 7 double crochets, guys, for row number 9. I think I said maybe 6, but you should get 7 in your last sets, because your chain 2 over this side counts as 1 double crochet. So on this side you should have 7. So this is my 7, and then chain 2, and this is for row number 10. Turn your work around. So let's do, guys. 1, 2. So 6 double crochet, 6 half double, and 6 single, and 3 single into your mark center, and remove and replace your marker into the second. And what you have here, guys, is the same you have here, and then chain 2 at the end, turn your work around, and I'll meet you for row number 11. So for row number 12, we're going to do 2 cup for your bralette. So I've still on row number 12, guys. Have completed my 6 double, my 6 half double. Now we're going to do single crochet and 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then into our center stitch right here we're going to do 3 single. 1, 2, 3. We're going to remove the stitch marker and put it into our second single crochet of our 3 single. And then we're going to do 8 single, and we are going to do 6 half double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half double, and then we're going to do 7 double crochet, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into your 2 chain space, guys, we're going to do final one, so that's 7. So this cup, guys, is for 80 to 85 centimeter bust. So remember, you got to do 2 of them, guys. So I've got my 2 right here. So you're going to cut and fasten off. So guys, for your smallest bra cup, I fold evenly in 2, and it measures 6¼ inches, so 6, 12, that would be 12½ inches around here. And let's see how many inches across here. It's like 9 inches along the bottom.